Is there like a specific name for the game?
The game.
Okay. So the game, it's pretty much who knows who better.
Or at all.
Or at all.
Yeah.
So this ought to be interesting.
Okay.
What is your friend's full name?
Ryan Getz.
Is there a middle name?
There is a middle name.
What's it start with?
An A.
Adam.
Nope. You want to try again?
Antoine.
Come on.
Jesus.
It's Alan.
Alan. That was my third guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
So your name changed this week.
Yeah.
I would love.
Well,
Yeah.
it was Laura Koppel. Spalding Koppel or Koppel Spalding?
Spalding Koppel. It was.
But I want to say Anne.
Damn, that's good. He's right.
I saw it on something I notarized some
Oh, he cheated.
point in time.
He cheated.
It's a good guess.
He cheated.
What is their favorite food?
The Grande Burrito.
Oh, the one at
Yeah.
Shenanigans, the El
Yep.
Jefe.
El
Oh my
Jefe.
god, that's my favorite too.
So good.
See?
I had one last night and for lunch today.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Am I right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes!
I mean, there's so many to choose from, but it's right up there.
Okay.
Okay, with Laura. Those Krispy Kreme donuts were pretty good, but
I do
I
what
don't know if that's your favorite. You like a big steak. You get steak all the time when you go out,
Do I?
you know? But then maybe that's your diet. Because you can't eat anything fun anymore.
Basically.
Except for Krispy Kreme.
Except for Krispy Kremes on cheat day.
Yeah.
How many brothers slash sisters do they have?
Ryan has one brother, older.
Yes. This is a tough one.
Yeah.
Is it no, I'm just kidding.
I want to say there's one.
Yep.
Just one. And it's a brother.
Yep.
What is their favorite TV show?
Oh.
Ooh. Does porn count?
Lesbian porn.
Let me think. What's his favorite?
That's
TV
Ryan
show?
Drisby Red.
Oh god, that's funny. I was thinking the same thing about her. But I'm like, that's not a TV show.
It could be.
It could be. It should be.
Your favorite TV show? Let's see. We've talked about a couple. I think you said you loved Game of Thrones.
Never seen an episode.
Nope, that was him then.
Close.
Wait.
It was either you or I.
Yeah, Breaking Bad.
I love that. That was a good.
That was really good.
That was a good one. What's your favorite? You talk about that show. What was it, Blind Date? I don't know if that's your favorite.
No, that's just
a
a
show.
new thing. Yeah, it's just a
one you
new
watch.
show. Yeah.
I know you like Breaking Bad. You talked about that.
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's a favorite. I don't know. I'm stumped on this one because you don't have cable TV, so there's not like.
No, all the good shit's on.
Yeah, it's all
Netflix.
episodes.
So my favorite
Like Dexter.
TV show.
I know you like Dexter.
Dexter was great.
Oh yeah.
My favorite TV show is I just lost the name of it. The one about the family that owns the funeral home. You know what it is. We've both watched it.
Oh, what's the name?
one
of
that
6 Feet
opens-
Under.
Oh yes.
That's my
okay.
favorite TV
Okay.
show. That shit was
Yeah.
the boom.
When is their birthdays?
Ryan's birthday is in July.
Mm-hmm.
But what day?
16th?
30th.
Damn. July 30th.
December 23rd.
That's so easy.
That's easy.
That's easy.
Yeah. Don't tell everybody why it's easy. Yeah. Security breach. Security breach.
Are they right-handed or left-handed?
He's right-handed.
Oh, as I'm drinking,
Yeah.
giving it away. She's left-handed.
Way to go, Ryan. Cheating already. There you go. Can you tell when they're lying?
He's never lied to me.
I don't think I have. I try not to lie to anybody.
Yeah.
Just gets me in trouble down the line.
I've never lied
I
to him
always get
either.
caught, so it doesn't do me
Yeah.
good.
So I wouldn't know.
What is something they can't live without?
His dogs.
Yeah. And this is her answer, Sammy, right here.
Oh, I should have said my dogs. I said Chipotle.
That's how fucking vain you are.
Juan said Chipotle too.
Should have said,
Of course
you
he
should have
did.
said his mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, my selfies.
Your
There we go.
selfies. Yeah.
Selfies.
It's probably like, oh, my favorite thing about me? Thanks for asking. It's my mirror.
You're so stupid. I hate you. I'm all like, my
My favorite thing about Laura is she's straightforward as the day is long. You always know where you stand with Laura, no matter what.
Yes. My favorite thing about him is his strengths are my weaknesses, so it's perfect.
Oh, that was cheesy.
That was
It's
so
true.
sweet.
It's true.
We're a good team. Bye.
We win.
Yeah,
we win.
We won. We did pretty good.
Free cell phone, yay! Free cell phone, yay!